How to arc weld and stick weld. Subscribe for more videos. Learning how to weld is not as hard as you might think. All you have to do is simply follow a few basic steps to get that welding down pat. It's like baking a cake or building a house. You need to follow a set way of doing things. There are a few basic and easy to learn steps that you need to take into consideration before you even attempt how to stick weld or arc weld. A lot of the time, people simply just rush in guns blazing, and when they have a go at it half a dozen times and they can't do it, they give up. Listen, like I've said, stick welding might seem a bit daunting at first. But once you learn these basic steps on how to arc, stick weld, the whole process will become a lot clearer to you. How do I know? I've been there and done that. I know how hard it can be to learn how to stick weld for a person who has never welded before in their life. Often the first timer will make a few silly mistakes that can spoil their first time stick or arc welding experience. How to strike an arc and keep it going. This is a big issue for anyone who is learning how to stick weld. How do I do it? Why does it keep sticking to the job? What size welding electrode should I use? What type of welding electrode should I use? What about welding safety? What should I be aware of when welding? What will hurt me and put me at risk of injury? If you are new to welding, you might not be aware of what to look out for. Which way do I move the electrode? What power setting should I set my machine at? All these and many more questions are what the DIYer or learner welder need to find out. You need to learn how to stick weld and arc weld the right way the first time, by following a set of easy-to-understand step-by-step instructions. By having a successful first-time arc welding experience, you will never have a negative experience, therefore your ability to learn will not be ruined by a bad first-time experience. Do not forget to subscribe for more videos.